today we are going to be installing a BMR strut bar on the Camaro. Now, that's weird. Normally, we would have done an unboxing and everything else for the strut bar, but today we're just going to do an install. It should be quick, simple, easy, self-explanatory. Now, I went with the hammered finish, blackish, grayish BMR strut bar. And all you do, if you have an SS Camaro or body blah blah, I don't know how any of the other ones are, whether you got a V6 or not, they're all the same. You literally just set the strut bar on, the holes are already there. Comes with 4 bolts, 4 washers for the to bolt it down to the existing holes. They're a 13mm bolt. Whoops, there's a new scratch. Just kidding. And yeah, it's pretty much done. So let's get this fastened on here and we'll see what it looks like all installed. Now, like anything else, you want to leave the bolts loose. Just start them until you get them all inserted into the holes and get everything adjusted the way you want it. Okay, we got them started. Got our little ratchet here. We're going to use a stubby snap-on with a 13mm. Just going to tighten them down. Going to take nothing at all. There you have it, it's on. Let's take a look at it. Check that out. That looks nice. Quick, easy installation. Don't know how well they actually work, but it looks cool. I painted this fuse box cover last year to match the engine cover, but the paint is doing something weird. So we're gonna have to sand that off and redo that. But if you look over here, I also got these guys. These are made by VMS. They're pretty dope. They take that ugly strut thing, make it look like that, which looks a lot nicer. If you look at the kit, it's just got one center little bolt here. You're clean. See, they just thread onto the stud comes through. The hardest part is they fit tight over the rubber, so you gotta tap it down. And there it is, it's on. It still sticks up just a little bit like the factory one would, but it's on, it's tight. Same as this one here. And you're golden. Makes it look a lot nicer. Now I did buy the radiator cap, washer fluid one, brake fluid one that will match those 100%. Don't really need to do an install video on that. Once we get the car dug out of the shed, we'll be redoing this. I really like the new fuse box cover for it, but they're super expensive and I can't fathom spending on it. And I bought the stuff to clean because if the car sits all winter, the aluminum gets that stuff on it. It comes right off. But I got the stuff to clean it, so that should be pretty cool. Got our long tubes down there, still can fly. But yeah, that's how you install a BMR strut bar. So there you have it, guys. Just a quick little install of the Camaro. It's been sitting in here all winter long. She's dirty. Got a little bird poo on her here and there, stuff like that. But yeah, should be coming out soon. As you can see, everything's starting to green up out here in my yard. You can see the Project Cobalt up there. We've been tinkering on that a little bit too. Getting the door jambs sprayed. But other than that, quick, simple. There you go, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.